Have you ever looked at someone and thought, oh, she looks so pretty. I wish I could look like that. Oh, she's so confident. I wish I was that confident. Then let me tell you, you are not alone. Insecurity is this small voice in our heads that never shuts up. But what if I told you that it is not permanent and that you can unlearn it? Let's talk. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Rekha, and I talk about self help, productivity, and everything that will help you become the best version of yourself. If you are interested in any of those topics, make sure you stick around and subscribe to this channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about insecurity. What is the root cause and how to overcome it? I'm going to give you 3 mindset shifts that are simple, real, and that actually works. Now, before we talk about overcoming insecurity, it is very important to understand what insecurity exactly is and where it comes from. Most of our insecurities don't come from who we are. It comes from who we think we should be. And it is very unfortunate that it happens very early in a society. From school comparisons to social media filters to that random auntie coming and telling you that you have gained weight. Insecurity is just a reaction to the constant comparison around you. For the first step, become aware of what triggers it. Instagram, social media, certain people, toxic relatives, toxic friends, or your own negative self-talk. Identify it. Now, after you have identified your trigger, let's get one thing very straight, that you are not weak for feeling insecure. You were not born insecure. You were conditioned to believe this, to believe that you are inferior and there is always something lacking in you, that you are not good enough, not smart enough, not rich enough, not cool enough, not bold enough. You learned it. And if you learned it, you can unlearn it. And you don't have to become loud or extrovert to become confident and bold. All you have to do is just be yourself without any shame. Now, I'm going to share with you 3 practical shifts that will help you overcome your insecurity in a very real way. Shift number 1, stop overthinking about what other people are thinking of you. Other people, and I mean all the people, are so fixated on their own securities and are so busy in their own lives that they have no time to judge you or think about you. Like, seriously, you are not under a microscope. So shake that feeling that you are constantly being watched and start doing things that feel true to yourself without the need for any kind of permission or fear of judgment of others. Number 2, do more things that make you feel good. Whether it is gym, yoga, Pilates, journaling, putting on makeup, not putting on makeup, dressing up, not dressing up. Whatever it is that you like to do that makes you feel more of you, do that. Don't wait for somebody to approve your every move. Do more and more things that build trust between you and you. Confidence grows with self-respect. Number 3, talk with yourself like you would talk to your younger sister. Now, most of our insecurities come from our own negative self-talk. Say, for example, your close friend or your younger sister comes to you and tells you that they don't feel pretty enough or they don't feel smart enough. Would you fuel their insecurities by adding more trash talk to it? No, right? You would not reassure their insecurities because you see them for what beautiful people they are. And that is what you have to do for yourself. You have to see yourself for what a unique, authentic, and beautiful person you are. Stop the negative self talk, stop comparing yourself to others, and be very careful and mindful what you feed yourself and how you talk to yourself. Make sure your inner voice is gentle and kind to yourself because it matters. Now, before I end this video, I want to tell you something very important. Your insecurity is not going to go away overnight. It may not even go away in weeks, for months, and for some people, it may never go away. But what is important is for you to remember these 3 steps and always remind yourself to be true to yourself and be authentically you. Because only then you will be able to battle this insecurity and does not let it stop you from reaching your full potential. Overcoming your insecurity is not a one final stop. It is a lifelong ongoing process which will help you clear your mind and get in more in sync with yourself. Don't wait to feel ready to start something or to be confident. Do it now. You become confident when you do things despite fear and not wait for the fear to go away. If this video spoke to you, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what is the one insecurity that you are ready to let go today. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.